We got the red, white, and blue slushie over here at the market right in front of the riverboat. You could hear it just sounding its horn already. Yes. It looks so cute and fun, red, white, and blue. Whipped cream on the top with some sprinkles. Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time, and today we're at Magic Kingdom, and there's so many things going on. Today is the 4th of July, so we're gonna stay and see some fireworks. Hall Presidents also is now opened. What else? Astro Orbiter. That is another one that we need to ride, is now open. So many things that we need to do today before closing. So join us today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're in the Hall of Presidents getting ready to see the show. There is a glare, but this is an evening gown. Dolly Payne Todd Madison. Yeah, fishing gear from Jimmy Carter. Basketball. Barack Obama. Franklin Roosevelt. That's a shelf. Theodore Roosevelt's teddy bears. Oh, so he painted it.
77 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Presidents of the United States of America. George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, James Monroe, John Quincy Adams, Andrew Jackson, Martin Van Buren, William Henry Harrison, John Tyler, James K. Polk, Zachary Taylor, Millard Fillmore, Franklin Pierce, James Buchanan, Abraham Lincoln, Andrew Johnson, Ulysses S. Grant, Rutherford B. Hayes, James A. Garfield, Chester A. Arthur, Grover Cleveland, Benjamin Harrison, William McKinley, Theodore Roosevelt, William Howard Taft, Woodrow Wilson, Warren G. Harding, Calvin Coolidge, Herbert Hoover, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Harry S. Truman, Dwight D. Eisenhower, John F. Kennedy, Lyndon B. Johnson, Richard M. Nixon, Gerald R. Ford, Jimmy Carter, Ronald Reagan, George Bush, Bill Clinton, George W. Bush, Barack Obama, Joe Biden. And now we come to the present. Once again, we place our trust in the idea of a president, as we have from the beginning.
My fellow citizens, no event could have filled me with greater anxieties than that notification on the 14th day of April, 1789, that you had selected me to lead our nation. But it was with the confidence of my fellow citizens that I took an oath. 35 simple words that have been repeated by every American president throughout history.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God.
Having a dance party.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise.
We're on the People Mover. We just got off of Astro Orbiter.
Guide aboard this highway in the sky.
Can you see it?
Absolute
There it is.
best way to see tomorrow. And my stars, is there ever lots?
So, kids said they wanted to watch the fireworks from the cars. So we were just going to keep riding the People Mover. But they said they wanted to ride the cars, so see the fireworks from the cars. What? But they just announced that they're going to delay the fireworks. So, yay! I don't know. We might get soaked on these cars. This is pretty cool. Happy July 4th! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye!